Well, hello! Today I'm going to show you how to pack the best way possible. So no matter if you go on a backpacking trip and just have a small compact space, or want to fit as much as possible in your suitcase, I'm going to show you how to get all the things you want to bring in the most compact way to the most space that you have. So a friend of mine just recently packed her bags for moving away for half a year, and I helped her and repacked everything, and she was literally shocked by how much it changed her packing style and how much more she could fit into her bags. So I'm going to teach you how to backpack correctly and how to make the most of the space that you have. So this is the suitcase that I'm going to bring this time around. I'm only going to bring summer stuff because I'm only going to use the summer destination. And what I'm going to want to fit into my suitcase is always one long pair of pants, 2 short pants, also 2 skirts are always very useful, and then 3 dresses. Dresses are awesome because you can only bring one piece of clothing and you literally have your whole outfit together. So if you bring a t-shirt and then pants, it's 2 pieces of clothing, whereas as a dress you always go right because you have less clothing that you need to bring. Then I like to bring 4 t-shirts and then 3 blouses, 1 sweater, and then maybe 1 rain jacket, but I usually wear my rain jacket and my sweater when I'm flying, so it doesn't take up as much space. How to pick which piece of clothing to bring is pretty easy. I just pull out all the t-shirts that I have pretty much, and then think about which ones would go with more, or which ones are super practical, or which ones I just feel most comfortable in, and then I choose them. You might wonder why it's not that many outfits, but honestly you just need an outfit for about 10 days and then you can do your washing anyway. In most countries it's super cheap to do your washing, or you could even do it yourself. So if you think about it, at home you don't really wear more than 10 outfits anyway, so 10 outfits for traveling is definitely enough. So what I'm doing here is rolling up the t-shirt or the piece of clothing that you have and making it into like a big roll pretty much, and then you can use the sleeves to tie it against it with itself pretty much. So just tie the sleeves together and then you tie it as tight as you can so it's super closed up and you can use your space as compact as you can. And yes, your clothes are gonna get super wrinkly, but this way you can use the free spaces way better. So whenever you see a free space, you can fit another t-shirt or something small in between, or even socks or underwear. And what you should also think about is putting stuff inside shoes. If you want to bring shoes, if you're traveling over winter and there's like a lot of space in your shoes, then put some socks in there, put some underwear or bras in there, or even socks inside the cuffs of your bra. You can save space like that. That was it. That were my packing tips. I hope it kind of helped you and you could use your space better.